नमस्कार। फिर पैसा बोलता है में आपका स्वागत है। वेलकम बैक टू पैसा बोलता है। कल मैंने टीवीएस के बारे में बोला, आज मैं दूसरा एक कंपनी के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ। ये तो नॉर्थ इंडिया में साइकिल्स मैन्युफैक्चर करते थे 1974। 1984 उन्होंने 1984 में होंडा के साथ एक जॉइंट वेंचर करके मोटरसाइकिल बनाना शुरू किए। वे भारत में सबसे बड़े मोटरसाइकिल टू व्हीलर मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं। Today I want to talk about a company which manufactures motorcycles in the north of India. Originally these people started as a cycle manufacturer, and in 1984 they started to make motorcycles with a tie-up with Honda. They became the largest manufacturers of two-wheelers in a calendar year. In 2011, Hyundai ended the joint venture with them and went its own way and started manufacturing bikes in India. This company's weakness is its R&D. This was the last company to break the joint venture. The Munjals bought back 26% of the stake. Over a period of time, this company has accumulated lot of cash and has zero or negligible debt. This company has spawned other company investments for the promoters. But the promoters, while they were with Honda, did not invest enough in research and R&D, and therefore they could not innovate like what Bajaj did. But later, they have in collaboration started several R&D units. There is another problem with this company. When the EVs become big, the name Hero may not be with them, because Hero Electric, the electric vehicle division, has gone in partition to the another branch of the Munjal family, and that family is not willing to cooperate with this family. So Hero Motor Corp cannot sell electric vehicles in the name of Munjals, in the name of Hero. Hero Electric is owned by another Munjal family. This is not only scooters, this will also end up in two-wheelers. So that is the problem that Hero faces. There was a lot of problem. There was a court case and there was arbitration between two factions of the family. So the total two-wheeler sales for the current quarter was 12.70 lakhs. Dividend of 35 rupees per share was announced. Interim dividend was had already been given at 65 rupees a share. So you got 100 rupees per share. The net profit for the company made was 859 crores. Revenue from operation was 8,307 crores. So basically, the company made nearly 10% net margin on its total sale. The Hero is the world's, as I said, is the world's largest two-wheeler manufacturers. In market share terms, in motorcycle, it has a 48% market share, basically with Splendor, Glamour and Passion. In two-wheelers, it has a 34% market share. That is includes motorcycle as well as scooters. It has two scooters, Pleasure and Maestro. So, it has a huge distribution network. There are 39,000 retailers and 311 suppliers. The company spends 720 crores per annum in advertisement. The electric vehicle, as I said, is the big problem in this company. The company calls its electric vehicle Vida, and Vida is not a name that is known very well. In the top 10 electric vehicles sold so far, Vida has not found its way into the list, and therefore it is indeed a big problem. But the promoters of Hero, have made a smart decision. As of 2016, they have been consistently investing in a scooter manufacturer called Ather. As per records available in newspapers, 38% of Ather is owned by Hero Motor Corp. So Ather is one of the top three players. It is expected at some time Hero will take more than 50% of Ather at a huge cost and take over that company. That is the only way by which they can conquer the EV market. Otherwise, they will struggle to do so. Segment wise, the entry level segment is where they are dominant, which is 62% market share. In the deluxe segment, they have a 58% market share. But in the premium segment, they have only 3.7% market share, and in scooters, only 7.7% market share. Its biggest rival in the Indian market is Bajaj. Bajaj did a smarter thing. It developed its own technology, dropped Kawasaki many years ago, and has been looking at the premium market, dropping the entry level market, and therefore has consolidated its position in the premium market. In international markets, only 7% of its total revenue comes from abroad. So basically, what it says is even though it's present in 73 countries, only 7% of its total sales comes from outside India. In the case of Bajaj, it's almost 40%. So Bajaj scores on 2 points. It has a dominant three-wheeler market. It exports a lot. It has its own R&D and has been independently developing brands for many decades. Pulsar is a big success. They have brought back Chetak and they have already started to sell 4,000 to 5,000 bikes. Like all big motor companies, it has its own vehicle finance company and it has Hero FinCorp. It finances 54% of its own vehicles. It raised 2,000 crores in growth capital. So at some stage, FinCorp can become a separate company altogether. It has eight manufacturing units. 6 of them are in India, one is in Colombia, and the other is in Bangladesh. But all this has not made big difference to its position in exports. It has not exported in a big manner. It has two R&D units, one in Japan, in Jaipur, in Rajasthan, and another is Munich in Germany. It has spent only 616 crores in R&D last year. It has 6 subsidiaries and 2 associate companies. Its current market price is 2,548. The stock is midway between the high and low. The high for the year was 2,939. The low 2,246. There is practically no debt in the company. The profits to earnings ratio is only 18.2. The EPS is 141. The price to book is 3 times its book. Promoters have 35% stake. FII is 25%. DIIs, mutual funds and insurance companies have 28%. And the public only 10. I prefer Bajaj Auto to own Bajaj Auto. But if you want to have a broader exposure to two-wheeler markets, Hero seems to be a better bet than TVS. I will not choose TVS for only one reason, that its price to value equation does not set well. The problem with Hero is its electric vehicle and the fact that its export markets are very low. TVS and Bajaj have a higher export market. Hero, because of its relationship with Honda, had not developed its export markets. These are its weaknesses, but the value is pretty good. Thank you for watching. पैसा बोलता है पैसा बोलता है देखने के लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ. If you like this video, hit the like button, turn on the bell notification and subscribe to our channel. If you have already done so, send this video to your relatives and friends and have them take a look. Once again, I thank you for your सपोर्ट टू पैसा बोलता है. नमस्कार, जय हिंद. पैसा बोलता है में फिर से आपका स्वागत है. मैं सिंगापुर गया था. सिंगापुर में सब भारतीय लोग मुझे प्यार से स्वागत किया और वो जो मीटिंग हुआ उसमें तो बहुत सारे अतिथियों से मुलाकात हुई और ये तो कंप्लीट सक्सेस हो गया. अगले मीटिंग जून 11 रविवार को हम कोलालमपुर में करने वाले हैं. जो कोलालमपुर में रहते हैं वो मीटिंग में आ सकते हैं और मुझे मिल सकते हैं. धन्यवाद. नमस्कार. जय हिंद.